Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Tiwari and I welcome you to this video. Well, I'm sure that sometimes we say this to ourselves in silence. I understand the English, but I cannot speak it. Well, if yes, then do not worry at all. You're not the only one. Many people, believe me, many people feel the same. They listen to English songs, they watch English movies and videos, they understand the meaning, they know many English words, but when they open their mouth to speak, nothing actually comes out of it. They feel nervous, they feel stuck, and some people even say, my mind goes blank when it comes to communicating in English. I know what to say, but I'm not able to say it. Words just don't come out. Something stops me. Does this happen to you? I'm confident you're saying yes, because we all have been there. If you're not a native speaker of English, then I'm sure it must have happened. It has happened to me as well. See, we're not weak. We are not bad at English. All we need is a little help. You need some simple tips and you need easy tips. I'm not going to talk about this rule, that, this and that. No. That's why this video is here to help you out, to guide you, to show you the real reason why you can understand and not speak, and to show you how you can fix this slowly, step by step, in very easy English. No big words, no difficult grammar, just real help in a simple way. So let's get into it. See, first we have to understand that why this happens. See, you're able to understand, but you're not able to speak it out. Now, you may understand English very well. You watch English movies, you watch YouTube videos in English, you listen to English songs, you read books, newspapers, or short stories in English, and you understand the meaning, right? Now, that's fantastic. It means that your brain knows many English words. It means you can follow the language, but when it's time to speak, you stop. Yes, you feel confused, you feel nervous. And why does this happen? It's very simple. You don't speak English often. This is exactly why this happens to you. You do not use your mouth to say the words. You only listen or read. Listen or read. But where is speaking happening, my friend? Yes, but speaking, see, is a different call. It's a different skill. Speaking needs practice. All it needs is, you have to speak in English. That is it. You have to understand how the brain works. You have to, your brain and mouth must work together. Your brain understands, but mouth is not familiar. It's very new to your mouth. Okay, your brain is trained to understand English, but your mouth is not trained. Why? Because you're not even practicing. You're not trying to speak English. Throughout the day, out of 24 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, you're spending in watching English reels, videos, reading. But my friend, where is the practice happening? Now, you will only be able to talk in English when you're actually speaking in English. Let's understand it with an example. Imagine you watch cooking shows every day. Okay, you watch a chef make pizza, you know all the ingredients, you know the steps, but if you never enter the kitchen, can you make a good pizza? Now, I'm sure you're saying no, right? So watching is not enough. Right now, you're watching my video, right? I'm sure you're taking tips on how to help ourselves. But even right after watching this video, if you don't go ahead and speak English on your own, my friend, it's not going to work, right? So you must try it. You must cook. Only then you become better. Right? Same with English. You listen, you understand. That's watching. But speaking is like cooking. You must do it on your own. You must try. Yes, see, I understand and I agree that in the beginning, it feels hard. You may make mistakes. That's absolutely okay. That's absolutely okay. I'm sure you must have seen me making videos of how, celebrities end up making mistakes. So it's also a part of learning. Celebrities are still learning. They are celebrities. They're great actors. They're great at, in what they do. But, they're great at acting. English is separate. Similarly, whatever profession you have, maybe you're an accountant, maybe you're an HR, maybe you are a customer care executive, etc. You don't have to be the best in speaking in English. So you have to understand that we all make mistakes. If I end up making mistake in English, then you must, scrutinize me that, hey, you're an English trainer. Still, you're making mistake. right? So if an actor doesn't act well, then we must scrutinize the actor that, you're an actor, still you didn't, act well. If you're an accountant and still you're making, mistakes in number, then I must judge you or scrutinize you. But English is a language. We are learning it. We are not natives to it, and we are bound to make mistakes, right? So that is okay. It's part of learning. But if you don't speak, you can never speak well. That is the exact reason why you feel stuck, right? You understand English, but you don't practice speaking. So now it's time to change that. Now let's learn how to speak with confidence. I'll quickly share some, fantastic tips. First, fear is a big problem. So now let's talk about one big reason why people don't speak English. The reason is fear. Yes, fear is a big problem. Many people feel shy when they speak English. They're afraid. They think, what if I make a mistake? Now, I just told you about how celebrities, also make mistakes. What if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me? See, we feel nervous inside. We all feel nervous. Our heart beats in our mouth many times, right? Our hand and feet go cold. Our mouth becomes dry. So, we end up speaking nothing. We stay quiet. We don't speak English at all. But listen carefully. This fear is very, very normal. Many people feel the same. Even smart people, even grown-ups, even students, right? So you're not alone. All right. Now, here's something very important. Making mistakes is okay. It's part of learning. Nobody, speaks perfect English in the beginning. Even native English speakers make small mistakes or even bigger mistakes, right? Think about babies. How does a baby learn? When a baby learns to talk, does the baby speak perfect words? No, not at all. The baby speaks all wrong words. The baby, says funny things, but the baby keeps trying. The baby doesn't say, I will stop talking. The baby laughs and tries again. Yes? Does the baby say that, oh, no, I made a mistake, now I'll not talk? No, the baby is in his own world. And we also have to be in our own world of speaking, practicing, and growing, right? So you must do the same. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't be afraid of people. Good people will not laugh at you. And even if people do, I think that should not bother you. Good people will help you. So speak with courage, speak with confidence. Also, even if your grammar is not perfect, it's completely okay. Your English will improve day by day. But for that, you must start speaking. Fear will go away slowly. But if you keep trying and not speaking, that won't help. Yes, so speak, make mistakes, learn, grow. You're learning, you're trying. That is enough, right? So let it go like that. No practice, no fluency. It's as simple as that. So let's understand something very simple. If you don't practice speaking, you will never become fluent. It's like a rule. No practice, no fluency. It's just like learning any skill in life. Think about riding a bicycle. Can you learn it by watching videos? So, I wanted to learn bicycle. I watched few YouTube videos, and now, can you become good just by reading a book about bicycles or just by watching videos about bicycle? I'm sure you're saying no, right? You must sit on the bicycle, you must ride, you will fall. Now you will feel scared, but slowly you will learn, right? So the same thing is true for English speaking as well. You can read books, you can watch English videos, you can understand grammar, but if you do not open your mouth and speak, you will never feel confident. Yes, so you will never feel free while speaking. See, you have to understand that fluency does not come in one day. It comes slowly with daily speaking practice. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day can say a lot. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Talk to your friend in English, join a group, use simple words. Don't wait for perfect English, just start. Your mouth and brain must coordinate, must work together. When you speak again and again, your brain gets accustomed to it. Your brain gets faster. Your mouth and your brain now sync, and they understand that, okay, now I have to speak this. Now, this has to happen. Your mouth becomes more comfortable, familiar. Your fear becomes smaller, and your fluency becomes greater, and you end up speaking smoother, right? So practice is the secret. No one becomes a good speaker without practice. Even great English speakers today, they all started with small steps. They made mistakes. The cricketers we see, right? I'm sure you must have seen them, that how well they speak when they are awarded or rewarded with trophies and some appreciation. So they speak well. And if we compare their beginning to now, I'm sure you must be able to see visible difference. So did they all start with like excellent English? No, they learned. And during that time, they made mistakes. They were afraid, they were shy, but they did it, right? They felt nervous, but they did not stop. So remember, more speaking, more fluency. No speaking, no fluency, right? So start speaking today, even if it's just a little. It will help you more than you can actually think, right? Great. So I hope we understand that how practice can help us. All you need to do today is, after you're done with watching the video, let me know how you felt about the video in the comment section, and let me know one thing that you're going to do today, to be a better speaker of English, right? I'll see you shortly with some other video, with some other lesson. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. I wish you a very happy learning.